The core concept of any professional quality audio is not much. If you learn some basic things well, you can get a pro-quality voiceover. Yet people struggle to get good audio. Because there is too much information available. People become confused and overwhelmed with so much information. When you are a beginner, you do not need to learn everything. Instead, you need to focus on basic things very well. For example, you can see the ACX audiobook requirements on the screen. If you can produce voiceover following these guidelines, you can get quality voiceover for any purpose. If your goal is not audiobook, but professional voice acting, you still need to follow this guideline. You can follow this guideline for YouTube videos too. Your voiceover quality will be top-notch. It seems like a lot, but most of the things can be taken care of before recording. The point 8, 9, and 10 is the most technical thing from all these points. I have devised a system called compression sandwich that will take care of these technical things. Things like that and other important audio concepts are taught in my 7-day Audacity crash program. Who will benefit from this program? You will be benefited if you wish to become an audiobook narrator, to become a professional voice actor, to get a great voice for content creation, to get a great voice for online training materials, to produce great voiceovers. What do you have to do? 14 assignments on Audacity. 2 assignments each day. Do you have to be present at a specific time? No, you will receive it by email. It is a do-at-your-own time and convenience program. You will get this program link in the description. All the common questions about the program are answered here. If you want to know more, please send me an email. The email address is in the description. If you want to learn Audacity quickly and effectively for professional voiceover, this program is the right match for you. Seats are limited, so enroll now before the seats are filled up.